Good news, everyone. We've got our top rib and our bottom rib soldered in now. Bad news is there's a lot of mass here that heat loves to flow through, so when we soldered on the top rib, we kind of unsoldered the bottom rib. But we got that fixed, and my solder work is getting better. Little by little every day, we're learning new things. Hopefully those of you that are following along at home doing your own project are advancing at the same rate. Because according to the Gospel of Tebow, we have not been called upon to suck. That's Tim Tebow's gospel. Now that this is on, we're going to go ahead and trim the barrel, trim our top rib to length on the barrels. Without getting too far into that, we've got a nice 11-degree crown on there, which all the precision shooters agree is going to be our most accurate crown. Not that it matters, I'm only worried out to about 100 yards with this. There is a reason why the ELR guys do not choose side-by-side rifles as their weapon of choice. Once that's done, we're going to move back here to where we got the tightest 80 grit polish that you ever did see. Got most of my file marks out, where we can drop down our quarter rib so that it meets the action. We're about a 1/4 inch too high most of the way down. We're going to do that with the mill. Not that I couldn't do it by hand, but one, I want it done right, and two, ain't nobody got time for that. We'll be finishing that up with a file and making it look pretty. Then after that, all we got to do is finish polish, get some sights on this guy, and send it off to bluing. So eyes, ears, move your beers.